Hey everybody, Mike here. I want to do a quick review on these BFG trail terrains that we put on my wife's Tahoe about 3 months ago. I think we're already pushing 12,000 miles on these tires, and I wanted to go ahead and give you my thoughts on these based on what I know and how I feel about them so far. Now these are a stock size tire. This is the 285/45 R22s, which is the stock tire size that comes on this Tahoe. Now coming from a Bridgestone tire over to these, in my opinion, these are a night and day difference. Now in the Bridgestone's defense, they were pretty wore out. They were already pushing 40,000 miles when we took them off and put these on, but they were extremely worn. I probably wore them down a little too far, to be honest. They had already reached the end of their life. Really, honestly, shouldn't have been used more than the 35,000 mile mark or so on those tires. Now, I can't tell you how long these are going to go yet. I haven't had them on the truck long enough. I did want to go ahead and show you what these look like at a 22 because I could not find anywhere on the internet what these look like in this tire size. So hopefully this will help somebody else out in terms of what these might look like on a 22-inch wheel. Now, so far, characteristic-wise, I only drove these in the snow just a handful of times before the season changed and we rolled into spring. But they handled extremely well in the snow and even on the ice, to be honest. Didn't have any problems with this thing really sliding around too much. In fact, you kind of had to almost make it try to slide in order for it to actually lose traction. And some of that's going to be in fact to the way the Tahoe handles and some of the features that this vehicle has built into it. They do an extremely good job of keeping themselves clean. They didn't really pack real bad. During summertime, they handle great, dry pavement as well. And then in rain, they do an exceptionally good job as well. I've never really felt insecure in this vehicle. I feel like it always handles in corners exactly how it should, especially for being a larger SUV. And when it comes to tires, I do believe you get what you pay for. These are a little bit pricier tire, but they're advertised at being able to go the distance versus some of the other tires on the market that don't have near the rating that these BFGs do. But if you're looking for an overall great performing tire that's extremely quiet on the road and handles, in my opinion, amazingly, check out these ones made by BFG. These are the Trail Terrain TAs. I've been extremely impressed with these over the last few months. That's all I've got for you on this one today, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. We will catch you guys on the next one.